how to unsuspend my suspended Twitter account. So if you want to recover your suspended Twitter account on your mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to just make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Twitter or your X application. Make sure that you've logged in. Once you've logged into your account, now if you want to unsuspend your Twitter account, then go with the top left, which has that profile icon. And then here you need to scroll down, go with settings and support, go with settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and go with privacy and safety. Once you're on your privacy and safety, you need to just scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of Help Center. You can tap on the Help Center. Or if you don't find it, you can go with Contact Us, which will be here on the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Once you click on Contact Us, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that search icon. After that, you will get this kind of interface. You need to just type in Suspended. Once you've typed in, you'll find About Suspended Accounts option. You need to tap on it, and then you'll get this kind of interface. You can directly appeal for a suspended account if you're logged in with that suspended account. Now, the reason you are unable to see the option on my phone is because my account was not suspended. So what you can do is simply scroll down over here and you'll be able to see an option where you can type in a message, and the message you have to type is simply write hello Twitter support. I discovered that my account was suspended. I have gone through the Twitter X guidelines and rules. I can assess that I haven't broken any rule or regulation of Twitter. I can also say that I'm not a spam. I'm not abusive to anyone. So please review my account. I sincerely apologize for any inconvenience. And after sending that, simply click on proceed. And then within a few hours or within a few days, your account will be recovered. You can just simply click on file and appeal under your suspended accounts section. You can just simply search for suspended and then find suspended account, and under that you can go with file and appeal, and then you will find an option to write all of the things, and you need to just write and send, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.